In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and flawlessly transfer your Roblox game from one account to another. If you're building a game or working with a team, this tutorial is a must-watch. The first thing we need to do is create a group. To do that, just go to roblox.com and click on the Communities tab. We click on the Create Community button. In this section, we enter a name and a description for the group. And under the settings, we select the manual approval option. Then, you just need to pay 100 Robux to create the group. I've already done this step, so let's move on to the next part. We go to create.roblox.com and navigate to the Creations tab. We hover over the game we want to transfer, then click on the three-dot icon and select Open in New tab. From here, we go to the Settings tab. In this section, we scroll down and click on the Initiate Ownership Transfer button. If you don't see this option, simply verify your account email. From here, we select the group we want to transfer. All you need to do is enter the experience name and click the Initiate Transfer button. Since I've already completed these steps, a verification code will be sent to your email that you need to enter. Also, a confirmation email will be sent to the group members. Once fully confirmed, the game will be transferred easily. I hope you enjoyed this video. For support, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.